A very happy Independence Day to all of you. Today we gather to celebrate the spirit of freedom and honor the sacrifice of our great freedom fighters.
Good morning to all. My name is Pradipra. I am studying first standard. Today's speech. Bhagat Singh was a young freedom fighter. He was very courageous and hold against the British. His bravery inspires us even today. Thank you. Good morning to all. My name is Asmita. I am studying first standard. Subhash Chandra Bose was a brave freedom fighter. He formed the Indian Army to fight against the British. He is remembered for his slogan, "Give me blood and I will give you freedom." Thank you. Bhai Patel was a world leader and freedom fighter. He was proud to unite India. People call him the King of India. Thank you. Balakrishnan Gokhale was a leader, many freedom fighter. He gave peace and method. Nothing was the fighter. Thank you. Pandit was one of their first freedom fighters. Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan, friend Sai Gandhi, believed peace and violence, worked for India's freedom. Thank you. Tipu Mahatma Gandhi was taken to fought bravely against British in 1857. She was a symbol of courage and determination. Thank you. Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India. We love children very much and we celebrate his birthday as Children's Day. Thank you. Bala Gangadhar Tilak was a freedom fighter who inspired many people. Thank you. Lala Lakshmana Saira Sandhya Chandrasekhar Azad was a palace and freedom fighter. Good morning to all. My name is Shivashita. I am studying first standard. Today's speech. Rajendra Prasad was a freedom fighter and the first president of India. Thank you. First standard. Motilal Abdul Kalam, aged freedom fighter, great inner. Thank you. Good morning to all. My name is Samyukta. I am studying first standard. Today's speech. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was a leader who fought justice and equality in writing Indian Constitution. Thank you. Good morning to all. My name is G.C. I am studying first standard. Haley Vassar was a strong supporter of India independence. Thank you. Good morning to you. My name is Krishka. I am studying first standard. Sarojini Naidu was a famous world freedom fighter. Thank you. Good morning to all. My name is Judith Mahima. I am studying first standard. Rani Lakshmi Bai was a queen of Jhansi. She fought bravely against British army. She was full of courage and strength. Thank you. Good morning to all. My name is Kritika. I am studying first standard. Today's speech. Mahatma Gandhi, born as the father of nation, taught us to be brave and peaceful. His famous march called Salt March helped India become free. Thank you. Good morning to